Welcome to Naomi's Filipino kitchen. Today's dish is called Ginisang Munggo with pork. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: ground pepper, garlic, fish sauce, spinach, or you can use alagbati, tomato, onions, water, pork, and monggo beans. First thing is to cook the monggo beans, which takes about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the monggo bean is now done. Take off from the heat and put aside. Get some oil in the pot and get it hot before adding any ingredients. Now the oil is hot, add the garlic until light brown. Keep stirring. Now it's light brown, add the onions. Keep stirring, add the tomatoes. Keep stirring. Then add the ground pepper. Keep stirring. Then add the pork. Keep stirring and add the fish sauce. Keep stirring until the meat is brown. Now the meat is brown, add the monggo. Now it's all mixed together, we can add the water. Keep stirring. Now cover it and bring it to boil. After this has been cooking for 30 minutes, the dish is now ready, and it's simply add the spinach for a last minute. Give it a stir. It's now cooked and ready to serve. Ginisang Monggo is now ready to serve and enjoy. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon.